Hey YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video on the channel today. So anyone who's been a long-time supporter of the Twitch or the YouTube, you'll know that I've had these Astros on my head for about 5 to 6 years now, probably even more. I've lost count of how long I've actually had these things for. And let me just show you guys. You can probably see how worn they are just from the ear cups. They've obviously started to get a bit puffy. You know what happens with cotton when you use it a lot. And the headband itself, like they're super worn. I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera there, but these things are super worn out. Now, I'm going to be honest here. I have nothing bad to say about these headphones. Absolutely nothing. The sound from them is great. It works great with my Go XLR. That's my true, honest opinion. That's not on some sponsored or any affiliated type script. That's my true, honest opinion about the Astro A40s. Absolutely nothing bad to say. So I thought to myself that it's time for an upgrade. And no better upgrade than getting your own custom colored pair. Now, for some weird reason, this service isn't actually available in the UK, which is a real shame. So when you head to the ASTRO.ID website, I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourself. When you head to it and you're from the UK, it says that it's not available in your country. But thanks to a good friend, Charisma, if you're watching, bro, I appreciate your support and I appreciate your help throughout this whole process, man. He allowed me to get a custom pair shipped from the US all the way here to the UK. So let's get this box open. What are we waiting for? All right, so we've got this big ass box. All right, so we've got the actual headphones itself wrapped in some bubble wrap. Nice and protective, I'm not gonna lie, actually quite protective. And a small little gift from Charisma himself, which he paid for out of his own money. But we'll get to that later in the video. So when you purchase it, you get this nice, cool carry case. It's quite hard, it's a nice material. I don't really know what material it is, so I'm not gonna try and even explain it to you. But yeah, it's quite good, quite protective, quite solid as well. And there's a little zip on the side. Let's see these headphones, man. Oh man, look at the color of the blue. Look at the color. Look at the color. So if you couldn't tell, on my previous Astros, the ear cups were actually cotton. Now, because these are the TR edition, so you see here TR, which is the tournament ready. Now they're leather. The headband and the ear cups are all leather. So funny thing actually about this, when I first hooked up with Charisma to say, you know, if he can help me get these shipped over, I originally did one and I wanted it in a blue and white color scheme. So I wanted a blue headband, I wanted white stitching, I wanted like a white microphone, I wanted a white cable. So I wanted like the theme of the channel on the Twitch and stuff like that. So I wanted it all kind of to match with the whole blue and white. Now, when me and Charisma went through the process again, we went through the whole order phase and there was a picture of the headset and the one that we customized was apparently all blue. And I said to him afterwards, I was like, are you sure, like, you know, that's going to come with white stitching, or is that some sort of like default photo they provide, you know, just to everyone that this is a custom headset that you've got coming? So he said, I guess we just got to find out when it arrives. And we checked the small print. Unfortunately, they don't do any returns or anything like that. So I'm not too mad about it. Would have been cool for some nice white stitching or something like that. But apart from that, man, the quality, everything is the same. We've got these awesome speaker tags. So on this side, we got like a blue camo. And on the other side, we've got blue with like an Astro logo. Really, really sick, man. Really, really sick. And then inside, we got, like I said, inside here, we got the mic cable. So it goes from the headset and it's going to go straight into my Go XLR. Also got the inline mute mic switch. And then we got the boom mic itself. So again, you could have colored this. And I think I did put that white, but they sent us a blue one. It's not too bad, to be honest with you. We still got an awesome headset. It's still pretty unique. And the speaker tags, which I'm about to show you, they definitely complete the look, that's for sure. All right, so here is the 3 speaker tags that Chariz got me. So the top one, I don't know if you guys can see it through the protective packaging. The top one is an emote from my Twitch channel. My Twitch channel is going to be linked below in the description if you do want to check it out. It's an emote saying sold. So you know when you're running through Superstore, all your teammates die, they leave it to you to clean it all up. That's what they'd be doing on the regular. And on the second one, we got my Twitch logo, or my logo in general. So it's like a nice cool S in an art brush style. And at the third, I think he put some text on it. I'll read it for you guys. And it says, Charisma is my hard carry. So yeah, they're the speaker tags. Let me get those out and I'll show you guys properly. All right, so here's the first speaker tag. So like I said, it's my sold emote for my Twitch channel. The quality on these is absolutely insane. I don't know how they do it, but really insane. Second one being my Twitch logo, or my S logo. And then the third, you can't really see the text, it's kind of hard, but yeah, it does say Charisma is my hard carry in there. So yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy love, man. Charisma, thank you so much for that gift. I really do appreciate it, bro. We're definitely going to be rocking those on stream. So if you haven't come by the stream, do come by the stream and see which one I'm wearing on the day. But before I kind of wrap this video up, I kind of want this to be a message to Astrogaming, especially their UK department, man. I don't know why you guys don't do the ASTRO.ID service in the UK. I really hope you guys do. Hopefully this video will be some fuel to the fire to help you guys to reignite that section of the business. And from me, I really hope to be working with a company like Astrogaming, hopefully soon. Hopefully we can sort some sort of partnership or something out, because I love this brand, man. I've been rocking with their Astro headsets for 5, 6, 7, probably 8, 9 years now. I can't even remember, honestly, that long. So definitely a cool product. I even tell all my friends, you can ask them, tell all my friends, get Astro headsets. I don't refer them nothing else but Astro. So yeah, Astrogaming, if you guys are watching this, man, all my social medias are linked down below. So if you guys want to get in contact with me and hook something up, I'd really appreciate that. Let's get something sorted, man. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you watching so much. I'll give you one little last overlook of how the headphones look and how cool they are. Speaker tags. That's it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this video and want to see more content like this and unboxings, do hit that sub button. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. All right, peace.